Hello kids! Welcome back to Xoratale. Today, we're going to learn a new letter, the letter T. Are you ready? Let's go! T for tiger. Tiger. T for train. Train. T for tree. Tree. T for truck. Truck. Let's repeat it again. T for tiger. T for train. T for tree. T for truck. T for turtle. Turtle. T for tomato. Tomato. T for tap. Tap. T for table. Table. Let's repeat it again. T for turtle. T for tomato. T for tap. T for table. T for toys. Toys. T for tooth. Tooth. T for towel. Towel. T for tent. Tent. Let's repeat it again. T for toys. T for tooth. T for towel. T for tent. T for tulip. Tulip. T for tractor. Tractor. T for taxi. Taxi. T for torch. Torch. Let's repeat it again. T for tulip. T for tractor. T for taxi. T for torch. T for toothbrush. Toothbrush. T for television. Television. T for ticket. Ticket. T for tower. Tower. Let's repeat it again. T for toothbrush. T for television. T for ticket. T for tower. Now you've learned the letter T. Let's play a fun game. What is this? Yes, T for tiger. What is this? Great, T for train. What is this? Good job, T for tree. What tells the time on TV? Yes, T for television. What do we brush our teeth with? Right, T for toothbrush. Awesome, you got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Bye-bye, little learners. See you soon with the next fun letter, letter U.